Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope that all of you are fine. My dear students, let's start our today's class. In today's class, we will do the MCQs question of our unit number 1, as I told you in a previous class. But before starting the questions, let's recap our summary of the unit. So in this unit, the main focus is on one of the quality of our Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, which is tolerance. Then we have explained that what is tolerance. Tolerance is a virtue which enable a person to forbear the attitude, negative remarks and action with patience and calmness. The life of Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was an example of tolerance. He is a symbol of tolerance, forgiveness, patience, and compassion. And the Holy Quran describes him as Rahmatul lil Alameen. So let's start with MCQ's question. Choose the correct answer. Dear students, note down these MCQs with yourself, so it will be helpful for you while preparing for your exams. Number 1 is choose the word with correct spelling. You have to select that which one is correct. So in this, the first option number A is correct spelling of companion, COMPANION. Number 2 is what is the meaning of meditation? Sound sleep, deep thoughts, dozing, or slumber. The meaning of meditation is deep thoughts. The correct option is option number B. Number third is the Holy Prophet ﷺ migrated from Mecca to Medina. Migrated means the underlined word migrated means went, traveled, moved and settled, or number D visited. So the correct option is number C, moved and settled. Number 4 is Islam changed Arab and then it changed the dash. Medina, world, Makkah, or any other city. So when Islam came, it not only changed a specific area or place, but it changed the whole world. So the correct option is number B. Number 5 is choose the word with correct spelling. Which one is the correct spelling of journey? That is option number B, JOURNY. Number 6 is what is the synonym of swelling? Dull, decrease, to become bigger, or plain. So the correct option is to become bigger. Next is the word tolerance is verb, adverb, noun, or adjective. The word tolerance we have is noun. The noun phrase is a group of words which function as a dash in a sentence. Noun phrase function as an adjective, pronoun, verb, or noun. So the correct option is number D, that is noun. What is the meaning of epitome? Unpleasant, symbol of peace, a perfect example of something, something very bad. So the correct answer is a perfect example of something. Number 10 is the Holy Quran describes him as, यहाँ पर him किसको रेफर कर रहा है? Our Holy Prophet सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम को. Sadiq and Amin, worshipper, Rahmatul lil Alameen, and number D is believer. So the correct option is number C, Rahmatul lil Alameen. Dear students, note down these MCQs and inshallah we will discuss some more MCQs in next class related to this unit. and also you have to discuss or prepare the MCQs which are given in your exercise. So it's enough for today. Thank you class. Allah Hafiz.